Let me tell y'all how to actually pronounce the B, D, T, and V sounds in Spanish. Let's start with B and V. So the thing that makes this so confusing is that you'll frequently hear people say that these have the same sound. And the reason why people say this is because it's way easier to just tell you to pronounce the V like the B than to really break down what I'm about to tell you right now. So imagine that you want to make the V sound, that vibrating noise, but you have to do it without touching your teeth to your lip. Because when we say victory, the teeth and the lip are what's making the vibration. So now, if you try to do that vibration with just your two lips without any teeth, but lightly, so that is what you're going for. You're trying to get a little bit of vibration, but it's not as overt as we do it in English. So the letter V in English is more like V in Spanish. So when you say things like Victor, you see the difference between saying Victor and Victor. Now you can see why that's a little closer to the B sound than it is to an English V. The same kind of thing is true for the letter D. So you'll often be told that D has more of like a TH sound. Imagine you want to say, you going with them, but not them like them, as if it was D-E-M. You going with them? That is the sound and the vibe that you're going for. We don't want them, and we don't want dim. We want them. So this is why people just say pronounce V like B and pronounce D like a TH, because it's way easier to say that and get people to understand it and do it almost right than to explain all of what I just said. So I hope that helped you.